This is how you can trade in less than 5 minutes a day. You identify a trade, you enter the trade, and you set it and forget it. And that is how you trade without gambling. I want to buy this stock at 83, put my stop loss at 78, and my target at 93. I just go click on the ask price. Anytime you buy something, you always buy at the ask. You sell at the bid. Down here, you can see I need to change this from a limit order to a stop order. And I'm gonna say buy it if it hits my stop price of 83. Now, if I want to put a bracket order, all I have to do is click on bracket and check it out. It says stop price, buy 10 shares of Starbucks at 83. Now, my profit target, close it at a profit. So all I have to do is put in my profit price of 93. My stop loss order is going to be at 78. Make sure I change this to good till cancel. And now you can see I'm buying it at 83. My target is at 93. My stop loss is at 78. And you can see my target is at 12%. My stop loss is at 6%. That tells you that you have a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If I click review and send, it'll show you what the order looks like. Starbucks, I'm going to buy to open 10 shares at a stop price of 83. Then it's going to put in a bracket order. I'm gonna sell 10 shares at $93 limit. Guess what? That's $100 profit, right? Because $10 times 10 shares is $100 profit. My stop loss is gonna say sell 10 shares if it hits my stop price at 78. Remember, that's $5 of risk. $5 times 10 shares, $50. So I'm risking 50 to make 100. That's a nice 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And the best part is I don't have to be at my computer staring at the screen. This is how you can trade in less than 5 minutes a day. You identify a trade, you enter the trade, and you set it and forget it. And that is how you trade without gambling.